Hi friends, welcome to PlantiFy. Today I'll show you my last year's balcony harvest. Many of us want to grow our own food, but we even don't have a small garden to grow that. But still, we have a balcony, right? Even if we are living in an apartment. And we can grow a lot in our balcony. Maybe we don't sustain our life with this food. Maybe we still need to buy veggies from market, but still it is very satisfying even if we can make a single meal from our own garden. Harvesting is the best part of gardening, but we must wait for the right time. Leafy greens are the fastest to grow. As we eat their leaves, we don't have to wait for their flowers or fruits, right? In this south-facing windowsill, I grow leafy greens like methi, spinach, radish, and coriander. And nothing like cooking with freshly picked herbs directly from our garden. After the first phase of harvesting, it's now time for the flowers to bloom. For continuous harvest of leafy greens, I sow them in batches. After harvesting the first batch of spinaches from my windowsill, now it's time for the second batch of spinaches which was in my balcony. While I harvest from my little containers, I dream that someday I'll move to a small village far away from this city and far away from this busy life, and I'll become a full-time farmer there. My mornings will be busy working at the garden, and in the evening I'll sip my cup of tea looking at my garden and the setting sun. Finally, the fruits are ready. Brinjal was the hero of this phase of harvesting. Every week in this phase of harvesting, I was harvesting brinjals and corianders. These two things were common with everything else. And now finally it's February, the peak harvesting season. In this phase of harvesting, I harvested tomatoes, brinjals, chilies, radishes, lettuce, and whatnot. In my balcony, every year I try to grow some veggies along with my flowering plants. These veggies might not be sufficient to sustain my life, but this gives me immense pleasure. These veggies are byproducts of my hobby. They are completely naturally grown and literally garden fresh. So friends, let me know what all you want to grow in your balcony, or you are already growing in your balcony. Let me know in the comment section if you are already growing any of these veggies in your balcony. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe